To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today, in the reported speech, I am taking your interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we all have to know how are these sentences changed into indirect speech. First of all, basically we have to try to understand there are two types of interrogative sentences. First one, that is yes or no answer type interrogative sentence. Second one, detailed answer type interrogative sentence. In yes or no answer type interrogative sentences, we have to make those sentences assertive, and if is to be added. If will be connector. How? Was he trying the best? Assertive, he was trying the best. And we add if before sentence, if he was trying the best. As per rule, we have to change the tense also in the sentences. And in detailed answer type interrogative sentences, we have to see that particular interrogative word. Interrogative word will be the connector, and remaining sentence is to be made assertive. For example, what are you doing? What is to be separated? Remaining sentence, are you doing, is to be changed into assertive. You are doing. What you are doing? As per rule, we have to change the tense also. One by one, I am taking examples. He said, will you go to Agra? Will you go to Agra? Will you go to Agra means you will go to Agra. If is to be added, if you will go to Agra. He said in interrogative sentences, when the reported speech is interrogative sentences, then we have to bring reporting verb asked. He said. If you will be changed, I'll tell you how to change persons, but here he would go to Agra. Will into would, shall into should. He said if he would go to Agra. Raman said to me, is Sita working hard? Raman asked me if Sita was working hard. Present continuous into past continuous. And the connector, that is if. The sentence is changed into assertive. We have to change the tense also. Now I take your sentence in which there is interrogative word in the very beginning. Means detailed answer type interrogative sentence. I said to my friend, where is Suman living? I asked my friend where Suman was living. Where is connector? And is Suman living? We have to make it assertive and change the tense. Suman was living. There may be like this a number of sentences. The basic thing, again I am telling you, in reported speech, if the sentence that is yes or no answer type interrogative sentence, then the connector will be if or whether. We have to bring if, that is quite easy. And the remaining sentence is to be changed into assertive. If there is detailed answer type interrogative sentence, the words why, where, how, when, these are in the very beginning, then these words will be the connectors and the remaining sentence will be in assertive mode. And as per rule, we have to change the tenses. If the reporting verb, that is in past tense, then in the reported speech, present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, past indefinite into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous, in past perfect and in past perfect continuous tense, no change. In future tenses, will into would, shall into should. Dear students, these are your interrogative sentences. I think you have understood. Thank you very much.